This video will show how to use the lock. First, we can press the reset button to set the manager card, and then swipe an empty card. It is the manager card of the lock. And then we can use the manager card to set user card. Swipe an empty card. Then it is the user card of the lock. And now we can use the user card to open the lock. And now we will change the working mode to limited public mode. Press the reset button for 3 times. And then swipe the manager card. Now the lock is in limited public mode. And swipe the manager card. So we use an empty card to set the user card. Now it is the user card. We can use the user card to open the lock. And after swipe the user card, we cannot open the lock. Now press the reset button for 3 times. Swipe the manager card. Now it is in public mode.